everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Temu app crashing or freezing on iPhone. If the Temu app keeps closing by itself or gets stuck mid-use, here's a quick way to get it running smoothly again. Step 1. Swipe from the bottom of your iPhone screen, find the Temu app and swipe it away to fully close it. Step 2, check the App Store for updates. Go ahead and open your App Store and then type in Temu and then see if there is an update button available. Next, restart your iPhone to clear out any temporary glitches that might be causing the crash. Go to settings and then go to Temu and then make sure to turn on permissions like background app refreshes and make sure cellular data is also turned on. Next, reopen the Temu app and try using it again. It should run more smoothly now. And privacy tip, only download Temu from the official app store. Avoid modified versions or unofficial links that may cause crashes or exposes your data. Sorry, quick fix: if it still keeps crashing, delete the Temu app completely and then reinstall it from the app store and log back in. This usually clears out any corrupted data or bug issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes like this.